family, namaskar, jai Jagannath. I hope you all doing a great. Today is a very special day for me because today is my birthday. Thank you so much for sharing my birthday videos. I am glad. Thanks a lot. God bless you all friends. I am sharing your videos. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ମୋର ତ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ହେଇଗଲା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ 6 ବର୍ଷ ଆହୁରି ଭଲ ପାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆହୁରି ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ବଡ଼ମାନେ ସାନମାନେ ସ୍ନେହ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ୱାଚ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ଯାଏ, ଭଗବାନ କରନ୍ତୁ ତୁମମାନେ ବି ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ରୁହ, ମୁଁ ବି ଭଲରେ ଅଛି। ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହିବି, ଏବେ ମୁଁ ସେୟାର କରିଦେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଠାଇଥିବେ ସବୁ ଭଲ ଭଲ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ସବୁ ପଠାଇଛନ୍ତି, ମିସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋତେ ବାର୍ଥଡେରେ, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ସେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ବି ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ ବି ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
Happy birthday, Rinky.
Namaste, Rinky-san.
Happy birthday, Rinky.
Happy birthday, Rinky-san.
Happy birthday.
Wish you have a nice year and happy day. Thank you always. Japan is rainy season. Today is also rainy day. See you.
See you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's Osaka Castle.
Happy birthday to you. Wishing you happiness and dreams come true. Have a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Link. Happy birthday, dear Linky. Wish you happiness, good health, and lot of love, 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 love.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Link. Wish you happiness, good health, and lot of love. You are a wonderful friend. Love you from Japan. From Tick Sensei in Hakata. Happy birthday, dear Linky. Love, love, love. I love you. See you next YouTube, my best friend. Thank you so much. Love, love, love. Happy birthday.
Hello, Rinky Lifestyle. Happy birthday. This is your Auntie Mario vlog. And more forward to your channel. More birthday to come. And always good health for
Happy
you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you for
to
being
you.
my friend.
Happy birthday. Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Thank
Happy
you so much.
birthday
And
to you.
hope that you're always
Happy birthday
fine
to
with your
you.
family.
Happy birthday.
This is your
to
Auntie
you.
Mario vlog.
Happy birthday. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
हेलो रिंकी सिस्टर, आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ हो। आपको मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे। मैं हूँ हिमाचली ब्लॉगर सुशीला शाह और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आपका जीवन मंगलमय हो और आपके मतलब चैनल भी बहुत अच्छा ग्रो करे और आप दीदी ऊंचाई की बुलंदी पार करे और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन दीदू।
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग रिंकी सिस्टर, कैसे हो आप? आज आपका जन्मदिन है तो मैंने आपको बर्थडे विश करने के लिए स्पेशली आपके लिए वीडियो बनाया है। तो मैंने हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे रिंकी सिस्टर। आप हमेशा ही खुश रहे, हैप्पी रहे और मुस्कुराते रहे। आपके चेहरे पर स्माइल, मुस्कुराहट हमेशा बनी रहे, यही मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। और जीवन में आपको सारी खुशियाँ मिल जाए, जो भी आपकी इच्छा है वो सारी पूरी करे भगवान। यही आपके ये जन्मदिन पर आपकी सारी मनोकामना पूरी हो जाए, बस यही मेरी दिल से प्रार्थना है। और आप हमेशा ही मुस्कुराते रहे। एक बार फिर से मैंने हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। और मेरी पूरी यूट्यूब फैमिली से मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप सभी रिंकी सिस्टर को सपोर्ट करें। रिंकी सिस्टर बहुत ही अच्छे सिस्टर है और सपोर्टिव है, तो प्लीज आप सभी सपोर्ट करो। मैंने हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सिस्टर। बाय बाय।
विशेष मो रिंकी दीदी तुमको जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत शुभकामना आओ भगवान सबु बेले तुमको आशीर्वाद करंतु तुम सबु बेले खुशी रुह तुम फेस रे सबु बेले एमती स्माइल सबु दिन थाओ बस तुम छोट भौणी तरफ तुमको ढेर सारा शुभकामना और शुभेच्छा।
Hello, Ricky Lifestyles, Riley, Ram G, Kashiho G, Namaste forever. I just want to take the time out and say happy birthday to you. You've been a blessing. You've been very supportive to me, the Filipino community, and the Indian community. You know, just keep doing what you're doing. You're an awesome person. You know, God is going to bless you in different ways. Enjoy your moment, because this is your moment to shine. Another year and another year of life. Remember that. Happy birthday.
Hello Rinky sister, how are you? And I wish you from my channel, okay, a warm happy birthday. आपका ये दिन शुभ हो, खुश हो, और भी आप ग्रो करो, ऐसे ऐसे करके ऊंचाई पर आप पहुंचो। एंड ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं मेरे तरफ से, एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा भाई की तरफ से रिंकी सिस्टर। और आपके बर्थडे में ढेर सारी आप खुशियां मनाओ, एंजॉय करो, वाईटी में और ढेर सारी वीडियोस अपलोड करो, और आप और ग्रो करो, ओके। यू ग्रो अप मोर एफिशिएंटली टुगेदर। एंड बिंग मेरा सपोर्ट हमेशा रहेगा आपको, और हमेशा ही रहेगा, ठीक है। और प्ले बटन भी दिखना चाहिए। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू रिंकी सिस। थैंक यू फ्रॉम द विनय ब्लॉग क्रिएशन F4। बाय बाय।
Hello, blessed evening, friends in white all over the world. Please welcome back to my channel, Billy Lupis. Mega love shout out to all very supportive friends. Please come and listen my song, guys. This song is heartily and lovingly dedicated to Sister Rinky. Happy birthday, Sister Rinky. This is for you, and I hope you like it. And may you have more birthdays to come, sister. Good health, more success, and happy family. Happy birthday, Sister Rinky. Greetings from Billy Lupis from Team Zumbi. Here is it, sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Rinky. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sister Rinky. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sister Rinky. More please. I hope you like this, sister. There is a beautiful God up above. There is a gracious God filled with love. He cheers me up when I'm alone and never leaves me on my own. He encourages me to stand and move alone. There is a merciful God up above. There is a loving God who cares for me. He understands this troubled world. He understands this troubled heart. He understands this life that I own. I will serve you. I will adore you. I will serve you. I will adore you. There is a wonderful God up above. There is a mighty God of everything. He moves the mountain for me. He let me cross the raging sea. He delivers me from unrighteous way. There is a beautiful God up above. There is a gracious God filled with love. He cheers me up when I'm alone. He never leaves me on my own. He encourages me to stand and move alone. Thank you. This is Tagalog song of Happy Birthday, Sister Rinky. I hope you like it. It's our dialect, Sister Rinky. Maligayang kaarawan, mahal kong kaibigan. Sana'y pagpalain ka at maraming taon pa ang iyong ibibilang. Ako ay bumabati sana sa iyong birthday. Maligaya't masaya sa handog kong kanta, sa puso nagmula. Sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday, kasama ang iyong pamilya, kaibigang nagmamahal. Sana matupad ang iyong dalangin, at ikaw ay pagpalain. Yan ang tangi kong hiling. Ako ay bumabati sana sa iyong birthday, maligaya't masaya sa handog kong kanta, sa puso nagmula. Sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday, kasama ang iyong pamilya, kaibigan nagmamahal. Sana matupad ang iyong dalangin at ikaw ay pagpalain. Yan ang tangi kong hiling. Sana matupad ang iyong pangarap, kalakasan at kalusugan. Yan ang aming dasal. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sister Rinky. Hope you like this greeting song. Love you. Take care. God bless.
हेलो, जय माता दी मेरी यूट्यूब फैमिली। तो आप सबको मैं बता दूं कि आज हमारी रिंकी सिस्टर का बर्थडे है। तो रिंकी सिस्टर, आपको बर्थडे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर रिंकी सिस्टर, और आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आप जुग जुग जियो और आपको हर खुशियाँ मिले, और आपका यूट्यूब चैनल भी दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करे, और आपकी अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी खूब खुश रहें। तो आपके लिए मेरा प्यार और ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद। जय माता दी।